Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete projects within Framer. So as you might know, you can only archive projects in Framer, but I'll show you a way how to fix that you can only archive and that you also can delete projects. So when you want to archive something, you just go to the project and you tap on those three dots next to the project and then tap on archive project, and this will move the project to test team and then archive, as you see. So let me now create a trash bin. So actually what you do is you tap on create or join team. So you're going to create a team, tap on this, then create a free team, give the name, name it something like trash, create team, skip, upload maybe an icon of a trash can, like I'm doing right now, then tap on continue, and as you can see, now you have a trash can. So we have a trash, in the trash icon, trash team. So basically you can go to your projects, then you tap on those three dots, and you're not tapping on archive, but you're tapping on move, and you move this to trash, all move. So move project to trash, move. And what happens now is when you tap on trash and then all, you will see the project right here. So now you can move all of your archived items into your trash icon. So you can close this so it looks a bit more clean. So you can tap on unarchive, go to recent, move, and move this to the trash. And move. And as you see, now those projects are moved into the trash. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.